Hello, everyone. Today we'll be talking about the Global Connect application. The Global Connect is a full stack application that we've developed as a part of our class project. What we wanted to do was we wanted to create an application that would help international students connect with other international students. And so what happens many times is that international students move from different countries and often not they don't really know anyone. And so the challenges for them as students are different. So we wanted to create a platform where like former new older international students can share their share their experiences with new international students. And so this and just like for them to communicate with their other peers. And so when we were designing this application, from a user design perspective, we were thinking about making it very simple and minimalistic, yet very effective. So this is what the sort of design that we went with. We took inspiration from other famous applications, Facebook, Instagram, and their home and user page, and that's how we came up with the design for it. So so how this is set up is that you to use this application, you would need to have a username and ID, basically an email ID and a password. So it's just like how you would typically make an account on a social media website. Again, this is sort of like a social media / blogging platform. So for the demo, I'll walk you through how one would log in. To use the application, one would just enter their email address. In our case, we have a test user called Bilal3. And so we've the user enters their email address, their password, and now they enter the actual application itself. So in the actual application page, in the posts page, you have these bunch of posts that are available, and you as a user can add a post. You can view someone else's post. So these are all different users: Bilal, Jonathan, Cunningham, and it's 123@gmail.com. These are people like these are just test users. You can add a post here. You can create a post. So suppose I want to create a post. I am Bilal. I am an international student. So I just made a post. And so other users can see that Bilal3 has made an post and it says, I am Bilal, I am an international student. Users have the ability to, if suppose they like a post, suppose I like this post by Jonathan and it says, hi, I'm new here. So I can actually click like. I've already liked this post, so I can like someone else's post. Oh, Bilal, there's another user called Bilal. I can just press the like button here and it automatically likes his post. I can unlike someone's post, not dislike, but I can unlike someone's post. If I click the like button again, it automatically unlikes it. So you have a like counter and so on. And so that's some of the more interactive features that we wanted to do. So suppose someone shared an interesting post, or based on the number of likes, people could come and be like, oh yeah, this is a very trending post. We can check it out. And so that's there. And so also as a user, you have the ability, just as any social media platform has, that you have the ability to upload a post, also delete a post. So this post that we just made, I am Bilal and I'm an international student, we can go and delete it if there's a small menu, a side menu on the side toggle menu on there. You can hit on delete and it automatically deletes it. Other than that, you also have the functionality to comment on someone's post. As you can see, there's this conversation. Suppose someone shares an interesting post, you want to give your thoughts on it. You can add your own comments, right? So we can perhaps let's make another post, a post called this is a test. I made a post about it, and then I can go and I can add comment to it. Suppose like this is cool. And so I can comment on this. Like I can add my own comments. I can add on someone else's. I can even delete my own comments. But again, I can only delete my comments and my post, but I can't delete someone else's post, just as any other social media platform is. So the idea was the ability to connect, ability to talk, and so on. But as you can see on the top left bar, we also have this ability for users to log out and then log back in. But suppose you don't have an account, you can either click sign up or you can click the sign up button down here. Let's click the sign up button here. Let's try to create a user here. Let's suppose the user is called test1, @gmail.com. That's an email address that I have. And I'm gonna call my username test1. And I'm gonna give a password. For the purposes of like security, I won't tell the password. It's and I have signed up my account. I have so I have test 1, 2, 3. But I want to like I want to add another comment to this post. So a post that Bilal made. So that my previous account. So let me add another comment. This is another attempt. This is another test comment. And so I can again like comment on others' posts. So now I have officially I have like 2 comments on this post. One is from my other account and one is from my current account. I can delete it. I can like this post. And so, yeah, that's the idea of it. The ability to connect, the ability to communicate, a simple design, not too complicated, and just like this ability to communicate. That was a project